Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, where today I'll be doing my first comparison video. So, between this comparison video, I'll be doing Doc Hudson. Yeah. So let's do a summary of him. Doc Hudson's one of the main characters in Cars. He's a dark blue 1951 Hudson Hornet. He was both the doctor and judge of Radiator Springs. He was also the crew chief of Lightning McQueen. Doc was a well-respected vehicle in Radiator Springs. As the town's motor medic, he also helps out all the residents' health issues and gives thorough checkups at his medical clinic. Very loyal to all his friends, Doc holds a lot of influence and has strong opinions on the sort of cars he wants in his town. Sometimes he can be a stubborn car with a few words, but at other times he delivers very wise advice, such as turn right to go left. Yeah, McQueen. There's a hidden side to Doc Hudson that none of the other town residents knew about, until 2006. In the past, he was the fabulous Hudson Hornets. Here, he held the record for the most wins in a single season, which was in 1952. When I had 27 wins in that season. Wow. You McQueen. And Storm. What else is there? Francesco, yeah, I can't forget about Francesco. Oh, and the King as well, yeah. And the greatest racers of all time. 7 Piston Cups, he has. Doc only has 3. And when he tried to win his 4th Piston Cup in 1954, Doc had a serious crash, which ended his career pretty much. So that was that for the fabulous Hudson Hornet. So let us move on to their designs. So as you can see, they're obviously both the same car, and I believe the fabulous one, I believe that was something darker. I believe I don't know. Well, I think this one right here, fabulous one, that's more vibrant. And obviously same one, but unlike the standard normal Hudson, the fabulous one has a painted Hudson logo you can probably see. But I don't know, but that's probably because this one's newer. This is a 2022, I believe. This is a probably 2014. Probably, yeah, around that time. Then obviously, yeah, both got the hood ornament, the same car. Obviously, Doc, well, normal, standard one has a couple of chips, but that's because I played with them when I was younger. You know, Billy here, he has quite a few chips. That's for the same reason as Doc. But carrying on. Now, obviously, fabulous one has a design and a dirt track tires, which and Doc, which standard one, are white walls. Now, I think this is then as you can see, twin H-power, which I think it's dual carburetors, which means that he was able to mix fuel and air more efficiently. Obviously, Fabulous Hudson Hornet 51, which Cruise later took on. Yeah, done a video of all the Dynaco races, go watch that. Now, obviously, Hudson Hornet, which is car 51. And here's Hornet, which is, well, car model, there we go, Hudson, yeah, you get the point. Now, they both have metal bases. Let's see, what does this one say? Disney cars made in China, 1188, or 11th week, or something or other. Made in China. Then this one is made in Thailand, but yeah, if you know Thailand diecasts, And you know, the decals are a little grainy and, you know. And I think they're, well, Doc, an inline six, yeah. And I think that's pretty much all there is to say. Goodbye, I'll see you in the next video. I'll be doing hauling gas.